196 pounds, from Pipe Creek, Texas, with an AFC record of no wins and 1 defeat, Preston McAllister. His opponent fighting out of the blue corner, he's standing 6 foot tall, weighing in at 205 pounds, from Wasilla, Alaska, an AFC veteran, smiling Tommie the Tornado Matthews. Let's listen in to referee Bud say no to Crack Black for his pre-fight instructions.
You guys have already got your pre-fight instructions in the back. Red corner, any questions? Blue corner, any questions? Touch gloves, let's fight.
We got Texas taking on Alaska.
All right, here we go again.
Matthews, McAllister, 2.
Wow, there's a big left hand.
By Tommie. Another flurry, here we go. Tommie just wailing away and connecting.
Wow, wow, wow.
McAllister in trouble here.
By
big
Preston
left
McAllister.
hand by Preston McAllister. And there goes Tommie again. Tommie looking for a knockout. He's got to be looking for a knee at this point. He's in perfect position for it.
With that one big one. With that one big one.
Preston cannot find the opportunity to get up.
I'm afraid Tommie's going to punch himself out here.
That's it. It's over. It's
Bud
over.
stops it. Preston was just taking too much punishment.
At 129 in the first round, is stopped by referee Bud Black, Tommie the Tornado.
Wow, that's a new tornado. I'll tell you, I've never seen him punch like that.
Tommie has his number.
Perhaps the outcome will be different.
You definitely have to wonder if the outcome is different. However, it's what the fans want to see.
Right. I said both of these guys, he's going to try to end this with a submission. Wow.
Now Preston McAllister.
That's it.
And this is going to be up. This is definitely going to be up for controversy.
Oh, close the door and let him do it one more time.
All right.
Do it again. Oh my God.
All right. The winner of round 2, Preston McAllister. Let's see. Winner take all, one more round. What do you say? This is what it's all about. Alaska versus Texas.
What a slugfest. These guys are just, wow. Wow.
I guess if we're going to do it for the first time in MMA history, we might as well do it here at the AFC.
Oh, yeah. Wow, there's a nice left, Tommie Matthews.
These guys just flat out having some fun. Big combos by Tommie Matthews. You got to wonder
Pino's not going to stop it until somebody goes to the ground knocked out.
Here. Not defender if Pino's going to step in here, and that's it. And
Tommie Matthews.
I guess Tommie wins, right?
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, your winner, coming at 40 seconds in the 3rd round, Tommie the Tornado Matthews!
Fans loved it. It wasn't ordinary.
Make some noise for Preston McAllister. That's awesome right there, folks.
Hell, to be honest, at this point, I don't know who to congratulate. So I'd like to give both of you congratulations. That was obviously some.
My team.
What team is that?
Natural disaster. We got the tornado, the blizzard, the fire, the storm, the lightning.
Well,
Also, whatever the fight